If you're a digital artist working on HD or film resolution projects, then you're in the right place. Over the next few minutes, you'll learn how to increase your competitive edge, improve efficiency, and maximize your creative control. The Avid Artist series of controllers opens a new door to productivity for digital imaging technicians, directors of photography, camera operators, visual effects artists, editors, and colorists. Whether you're on set, in the studio, or in post, these high-quality, slimline control surfaces elevate your system and workflow to a whole new level. Avid Artist Color is a professional color grading surface that enables you to take hands-on control of a range of applications, including Apple Color, the Foundry Storm, Red Camera's Red Cine X, and Autodesk Smoke for Mac. These applications offer native support of the open Avid Yukon control protocol, so you get extensive control over all major functions and a tight, connected experience in which the control surface acts and feels like a physical extension of your software. Artist Color features 3 high-resolution optical trackballs and 3 weighted track wheels, giving you the same highly responsive tactile feedback usually only found in the most expensive hardware grading solutions at many times the price. Artist Color also features 9 soft keys which you can customize to easily perform a host of functions in each application, from simple keyboard shortcuts to complex macro commands. We'll focus here on optimizing your editorial workflow using Artist Color with Autodesk Smoke. Smoke offers a powerful all-in-one editorial finishing toolset for high-quality professional post-production, combining intuitive timeline navigation with advanced 3D tools. With native support for industry-standard media formats and GPU-accelerated interactivity when compositing, you can finish projects faster and deliver your best work even against tight deadlines. Artist Color deeply integrates with Smoke. So let's take a look at how you can speed up your Smoke workflow with Artist Color. As soon as you launch Smoke, it immediately detects the Artist Color panel and its parameters are displayed on the surface. Across the top, we have 6 high-resolution OLED displays along with the buttons for power, banking, and paging. There are also 2 more specialized buttons known as Application Change and Show. We'll cover those in just a moment. In the center, we have 6 touch-sensitive rotary encoders or knobs for adjusting parameters. Below that are the 9 soft keys, which come pre-programmed so you can quickly access commonly used functions in Smoke. The transport keys are here on the right, and then front and center are the 3 optical trackballs and track wheels along with their associated reset keys. Finally, there are 2 shift keys, one on each side, and a nav key here on the left. When you launch Smoke, Artist Color initializes in navigation mode, allowing you to swiftly select, load, and playback clips and sequences. You can use the pre-programmed soft keys to move fluidly through the Smoke interface, toggling between different views such as source record view and player view, incorporating the audio mix panel and vector scope, plus full screen view and triptych view. To enter edit mode from navigation mode, just press the shift key. From here, you can use the track wheels to easily jog through the material in the source and record viewers. You can also perform basic editorial tasks with the soft keys, such as set in points and out points, or insert, overwrite, and replace clips. And the center trackball can be used for trimming. Smoke offers a range of effects that are accessible directly from the timeline. Using the encoders along the top of the Artist Color panel, you can add, remove, copy, and paste effects, and even manipulate the parameters of each effect. Where there are more effects or parameters than encoder knobs, using the page button expands our toolset, in this case giving us access to additional effects. Let's say you want to add a soft axis effect. To do this, activate Shift, then touch the soft axis encoder. Next, deactivate Shift and use the F6 soft key to enter the soft axis module. Now, using the track wheels, you can alter the scale, rotation, transparency, and the host of other parameters available inside the soft axis effect. Once you are done creating your effect, engage Shift and touch the relevant encoder to mute and unmute the effect. If you like the effect you've created, then you can use the soft keys to copy and paste it to other clips. To remove an effect, engage Shift and press the relevant encoder. If you need to keyframe your changes over time, Artist Color also allows you to manipulate Smoke's animation controls. Artist Color enables creative professionals to escape the confines of the mouse and keyboard, offering more powerful and versatile control over the entire color grading workflow, including deep integration into Smoke's color corrector and color warper. Just as you'd create a soft axis effect by engaging Shift and touching the corresponding encoder, you do the same here to add a color correction effect. We can then enter the color corrector module, and once inside, we can use the Bank 1 and Bank 2 buttons to switch between the color corrector and the color warper. Here in the color warper, the left track wheel controls black levels and the right track wheel controls white levels. The track balls are used to make telecine-like color adjustments in your shadows, midtones and highlights, either in isolation or together. I can also use the encoder knobs to make gamma adjustments across red, green and blue. And of course, to reset your gamma curves, simply press and hold the relevant encoder. And in addition, I can make saturation adjustments using the center track wheel. Smoke also supports a range of real-time audio effects, and you can use the same workflow as you used for video effects. The Artist Color panel gives you full control over audio filters, enabling you to adjust and keyframe effect parameters in real time during playback, including track gain, track EQ, and much more. If you're going to be using Artist Color with Smoke on a regular basis, you can make your workflow even more efficient by customizing the controller's soft keys. You can do this two ways, either using the soft key editor of Artist Color's EU Control application or through the Smoke interface. If you press the Show key, it brings up the Soft Keys tab of the EU Control dialog box, which displays all 9 soft keys on Artist Color. If you have more than 9 functions to which you want quick access, press the Shift key to extend your available soft keys up to 18 per view. This is further expandable by using additional pages, so there's plenty of room to accommodate Smoke's ultra-deep toolsets. To map your soft key, select the key itself, and then choose the page and shift status. Next, open the command dialog box. From the drop-down menu, choose Ucon and then Key Commands, and choose a new command to allocate to your soft key. In our case, we're mapping F1 to the undo command. Click Save, and your new command is now mapped to that soft key and ready for use. As mentioned, you can also use the Smoke interface to customize the Artist Color panel. To do this, enter the module you want to work in, for example, the soft axis module we worked in earlier. From here, press Ctrl Option F8 on your keyboard to bring up the Smoke hotkeys editor. Click on the parameter you want to map to Artist Color, and then simply touch the Artist Color panel component to which you want to map the parameter. Then click on Set to save everything, exit the Smoke hotkey editor, and you're ready to get to work. Another powerful feature of Artist Color is that it supports smooth application switching. Earlier, we mentioned the Application Change button. When you press this button, you can instantly access other Artist Color controllable applications that you may have by using the page buttons. Artist Color will seamlessly switch its control functions to whichever software application you bring into the foreground. You can even switch between multiple workstations, with all keyboard and mouse commands automatically forwarded to the second workstation. This can really help keep costs down in a facility or boutique by allowing you to use Artist Color with different workstations on your network. Artist Color is also scalable. By combining it with other Artist Series controllers such as Artist Transport, you can build a larger, integrated video editing control surface. If you want to get results faster and with more creative control in Autodesk Smoke, Artist Color is a powerful accompaniment, giving you an unmatched high-precision tactile experience. You can use the Avid Artist series to control a growing list of professional audio and video software. For more information about the Artist series and all supported applications, visit avid.com.